Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I always make videos from the best places, right? Look at these mountains. And the snow is like crystal. Yesterday I closed positions in Google, Meta, Coinbase, Bitcoin, BNB, FXS. I'm closing and taking profits on those because I made maybe 30 to 100%, some even more in 1 month. So for me, that's huge amounts of money. My capital is quite large. And even for you, even if it's $1,000, if you followed some of those trades, your $1,000 would have become a few $1,000s, or your $10,000 could have become $50,000, or your $1 million could have become tens of millions of dollars. So in my opinion, it's best to lock in profits when that kind of move happens in such a short period of time, and then we have a pullback. Now, do I think this rally is finished? Short term, yes. I think we're going to have a pullback, but it's not like I just forever never buy again. Now I'm getting ready to buy, setting my buy orders across all those. I'm going to buy the same assets again. What I like to do is catch the meat of the move. So if I put millions of dollars on Google and it goes up 30%, so if I make, say, $10 million and then I have $13 million and I close my position and Google goes back down, I now have $13 million to rebuy Google again to go back up, and it compounds the money very quickly. And that's what I like to do. I like to put my money in things and then pull them back out. And I like to have my money, I call my money Titan. And Titan is its own entity that enters things, and it never enters any single asset bigger than it itself. This is my mentality. I recommend taking the Crypto Master Course and the Stock Room Master Course to learn like my mentalities when it comes to investing. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I will be buying back Google, Meta, Tesla, TSM and Qualcomm I'm still holding because their PE ratios are still very low. Bitcoin, Uniswap, FXS, I will buy them back when I think they go back into good buying ranges. After 100% moves, 30 to 100% moves, some even more, I think it's good to take profits and then see where it pulls back. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Look at these mountains. So peaceful here. Now we're going to the market. You can see Coinbase. This is it spiked out, then had a big retrace yesterday. If it continues in this descending triangle, the target will be $24. So I'm going to set my buy orders on Coinbase at $24. Let's go into Bitcoin. BNB didn't pull back much, which is interesting. Bitcoin is slightly recovering after the drop. And when you look at Bitcoin, big breakout. On the weekly, stochastic is quite overbought. On the daily, we're getting reset the stochastic almost completely. Quite a big drop, but it's coming back to supports. Where I'll buy Bitcoin is on this support but it's making a big head and shoulders. You can see here, that could be a bigger drop. But I would expect a bounce here on this support. So I'll go long from there on Bitcoin. I took profit on my positions yesterday as well, making quite a lot of money after that 1 month of 100% gains, etc., which is beautiful. What I think Bitcoin is going to do, it bounced off this support almost perfectly, but I think we're going to get a stronger bounce from here. That's the main area of support you can see here. So that's where I'll go long for a short-term bounce on Bitcoin. I will open the long like this, and why I sold my positions is Bitcoin broke this broadening ascending wedge, which shows big weakness. It broke through it. It was on the news that the SEC sued Kraken and is not allowing staking options for US citizens anymore, which is dangerous. I mean, most crypto companies avoid the US because of these regulations. And what I recommend is email your Congress or email your politicians, your local politicians, and tell them that you want crypto to be in America. Otherwise, all of crypto innovation, like, for example, MCRT, we don't allow Americans to buy MCRT or stake MCRT. So it's like all the innovation is going out of America because of these archaic regulations from the SEC and Gary Gensler. So I recommend contacting your local politicians and telling them you want them to do something about this crypto regulation, stifling innovation and all the companies pulling out of America or not being in America. So this is the long I would take on Bitcoin, opening it at 21,200. Stop loss 20,900 and take profit 22,700. That's the long that I'll take on Bitcoin. It will open from here, going back up to this resistance. Then we'll have to see what happens there. That's the long that I will take on Bitcoin. On the 4 hourly oversold, daily oversold, hourly oversold, heading up, 15 minutes oversold, 15-minute overbought actually. Quite a lot of overselling. It's still making lower lows, but there was a big order here of Bitcoin about like 40 minutes ago. Someone bought a lot of Bitcoin. Look at that spike. It went from 21,600 all the way back up to 21,800. There was there was exactly 6,500 Bitcoin bought on that 15-minute candle. So someone picked up a lot of Bitcoin. And you can also see here, look at this, multiple hammer candles, pushes back up, pushes back up, pushes back up, pushes back up. So there is buying pressure here. There is buying pressure. Let's see if Bitcoin can hold this. Then I'll re-enter. So that's on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you some things from yesterday. So this was me. Yesterday, closed long positions on Meta, Bitcoin, FXS, Uniswap, BNB. Made huge gains the last months. Going to lock in profits and reassess the markets. Not financial advice. This is what I'm doing with my money. Also closed Google, Tesla, Coinbase. I posted this in the Telegram and on Twitter yesterday. I'm still holding MCRT, TSM, Qualcomm, and BNB. Mostly in cash now. Not financial advice. This is what I'm doing with my money. MCRT, I'm the founder of this project. It's building incredible. It's still under half a cent. So I see massive potential there. TSM, the PE ratio is still very low, and on the technicals, it looks still good for a run-up. TSM is Taiwan semi-manufacturers. They're building the semiconductors, the microchips, and I think that's very valuable. Same Qualcomm building phone microchips, 5G microchips, and BNB is also. This was Bitcoin. This is my targets on Bitcoin that I showed on Twitter. Setting up buy orders for Google. I want to rebuy my positions once they pull back. I don't want to just sell and forget. I'm always trading, so I'm going to set buy orders for Google at $88 and $78. Those are the support lines. You can see here one support line at 88 and one massive support line on the trend at 78. Those are my buy orders for Google. Setting buy orders for Coinbase at $24. Not financial advice. What I'm doing with money, I use Charles Schwab. You need 25,000 minimum to buy stocks on Charles Schwab. For lower entry, Interactive Brokers, eToro's. And why $24? Because it's in a descending triangle, as I showed just before. This was the news that set off the drop yesterday. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission cracking to discontinue unregistered offer and sale of crypto asset staking. So they don't allow staking anymore for U.S. citizens, which is crazy. And $30 million in fines. And then someone from the SEC actually spoke up about this. Also a reminder, anyone reading this, if you're speaking to me in private message, it's 100% a fake, a scammer account and not me. I will never ask you to send me money. I will never message you or ask for anything. And look how many scam accounts. My team is banning them all the time, but they just keep coming. So just be aware of this. If you're private messaging me, don't send money. I locked in these profits on BNB and Bitcoin yesterday. That Bitcoin trade was $19,000 at the peak, and then I only locked in 2,700, unfortunately. But I still made huge amounts of money on those gains. Introducing a new project that I'm going to show you later. You can check it out, chatgod.ai. What are you? You can talk to AI. It's using ChatGPT and OpenAI technology. It's using the Da Vinci system, which is the smartest of all the AI systems that OpenAI offers. So chatgod.ai is working in WhatsApp and Telegram. I'm a conventional AI designed to help you with a wide variety of tasks. I can answer questions, provide information. It's an amazing project. I'll be talking at AIBC from March 13th to 16th. Gary V, me will be there. AIBC in Dubai. Go check it out. And this is some developments from Magicraft. This is Blazy, the character window. This is the new Bjorn, the Sir Templars. If you've been following the development, he was a 2D drawing, 3D drawing. He became an NFT. There's many people that own the NFT. You can check it out, magicraft.io. And now he is in the game. You can play him in the game. These are some of the other characters. Bjorn was an NFT. The Archer was an NFT. They're both live. The Mage coming soon. I'm actually 14 years old and you inspire me a lot. Keep doing what you're doing. You definitely helped me and gave me a lot of confidence in trades. I always say to myself, listen to the guru. Thank you so much. Beautiful. Amazing that you're learning so young. And don't forget, anyone can get anyone under the age of 18. If anyone purchases a crypto or stock guru master course, we also give free courses to anyone under the age of 18. We match the number of courses. So anyone who's under 18 can get the free course. Best trader hands down. Excellent job. James, please, thank you for signals and POV trades. You're welcome. Yeah, just some information. Locked in massive profits. In this account, 232. It went up to 255, so it was still a big loss yesterday. But now you can see I'm mostly in cash. I have 149,000 in cash. 10 million in MCRT, $47,000, some Ethereum, but mostly in cash now on this account, and no trades currently active. But I will be looking to re-enter In the next video, I'll update on BNB, Ethereum. Those are my trades on Bitcoin and my thoughts on the market. I hope you have understood a lot, learned a lot. Make sure you take the crypto master course. Make sure you take the stock master course. Make sure you understand what I'm doing. Don't gamble. Don't use more than don't ever risk more than 2% of your margin on any one trade. Learn, study. And yeah, I'm doing all of this from my phone. Be good to one another. Enjoy life. Count your blessings every day. You're all brothers and sisters. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.